Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best trunk or treat cars is probably one of the most creative and fun ways to participate in Halloween festivities, allowing you to transform your vehicle into a spooky spectacle that will amaze kids and adults alike. Whether you're aiming for a terrifying haunted house, a whimsical pumpkin patch, or a friendly monster mash, there are endless possibilities to create a memorable trunk or treat experience that will make your car the star of the show. Number 5. For Ease Novelty Monster Trunk Kit. It includes everything you need: teeth, eyes, horns, and a tongue. Transform your car or SUV into a spooky spectacle with ease. This kit isn't just for cars. Decorate archways, garage doors, or any outdoor space for a fun Halloween atmosphere. With 12-inch teeth, a 15-inch tongue, and large 12-inch eyes, it's sure to make a statement. The horns are a sizable 8.5 inches. The cute monster design is perfect for little ones. It adds a fun, non-scary twist to your Halloween celebrations. Our reusable and waterproof kit is made of durable PVC, perfect for cars, SUVs, and any outdoor Halloween event. Use it on your car, garage, front door, or anywhere you want to add a spooky touch this Halloween. Great for trunk or treat events. What we like? This kit has everything you need to create a spooky monster face. It's perfect for cars, garages, or even archways. If you're looking for a fun, non-scary option for little ones, this is it. What people say. Looked pretty cool with some Halloween mini lights plugged into the old minivan. The glue dots were extremely sticky and I decided not to use on my car because I was afraid they would stick so well that I wouldn't be able to remove them. So I used small strips of black duct tape which worked very well and was easy to remove. I draped on creepy black gauze Halloween fabric over the top of my minivan hatch and it dangled down the sides. I had some purple Halloween mini lights from a previous Halloween and I added them to the set. Very easy, and parents wanted photos of their kids in front of the minivan. The kit comes with ideas for how to set up the pieces. The pieces are tough, thin plastic that are stiff and easy to set up and remove. I plan to reuse the set as it is still in perfect condition. Super easy to put up and very sturdy. Can even save it for next year. The pieces are easy to use and the provided glue dots are strong enough to keep all the parts in place, even with a bit of a breeze. Number 4. PAMASE Halloween Car Decors. Get ready to transform your car into a spooky spectacle this Halloween. These easy-to-apply decals will add a frightful touch to your ride. Made from durable PVC, these stickers are built to withstand the elements. They're perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Application is a breeze. The included adhesive tape ensures a secure and hassle-free installation on any surface. These aren't your average Halloween decorations. Their large size guarantees a dramatic and eye-catching display. Whether you're decorating your car, SUV, garage, or even your haunted house, it's versatile enough to fit your needs. They're the perfect addition to your Halloween festivities, transforming your vehicle into a creepy masterpiece. Prepare for screams of delight. What we like? Get a truly frightening look with these massive fangs. They're easy to apply and remove, making them perfect for any vehicle. If you want a simple yet impactful decoration, this is your best bet. What people say. This made decorating for the trunk or treat easy. Really great product. I like the fact that it is reusable. This worked great with our Buick Encore. I think it looked good and many people commented on it. It seems sturdy. We packaged it up to use again. Number 3. JOYIN Halloween Monster Truck Decor. It's a complete Halloween decoration kit. You get everything you need to create a spooky monster truck, including eyes, teeth, a tongue, and balloons. Get creative with this versatile kit. It's perfect for your car trunk, the front of your car, or even indoor spaces. You'll be the most creative decorator on the block. This monster face is ideal for Halloween. Decorate your vehicle, garage, archway, or windows for a fun and spooky effect. They're made of thick, high-quality PVC. It's waterproof, washable, reusable, and comes with easy-to-use adhesive tape. We want you to love your purchase. Contact us if you have any issues. We're here to help you celebrate. What we like? This kit is packed with tons of fun monster-themed items. It offers a unique design that will make your car stand out. If you want a high-quality, reusable kit with lots of extras, choose this one. What people say. Lots of stuff come with this that I didn't expect. Super great quality and cute. The kit was easy to assemble and looked great. Worked awesome for a Halloween golf cart parade. Number 2. Haooryx Halloween Car Banner. Get ready to transform your car into a spooky spectacle this Halloween. This banner is the perfect addition to your trunk or treat festivities. You'll receive one large banner, string for hanging, and glue points for easy setup. Everything you need for a frightfully fun decoration. With 4 convenient holes at the top, hanging it is a breeze. Simply hang it and watch it instantly transform your car trunk. It's made from durable polyester, so it's reusable and easy to store. You can use it year after year, saving you money and hassle. Measuring 51.1 by 39.3 inches, it fits most car trunks perfectly. But it's not just for cars, use it on archways, garages, or even your front door. This Halloween, make a statement with this eye-catching banner. It's sure to impress your guests and create a truly memorable Halloween experience. What we like. This banner creates a spooky witchy scene. It's made of durable fabric and is large enough to make a statement. If you're looking for a sophisticated and reusable Halloween decoration, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Worked good for a trunk or treat at my kid's school. Good quality and can be used again. Works great as a backdrop, can reuse it. It's a cloth. And seams put together well. Used this at our trunk or treat & it worked well. Ribbons were included to tying. The grommets seemed to be pretty strong, so you could use stronger ties if blowing is an issue. Number 1. Halloween Vampire Mouth Decor Kit. Transform your car into a spooky spectacle this Halloween. This kit is perfect for creating a terrifyingly fun trunk or treat experience. Simply attach it to your car, and you're ready to scare and delight trick-or-treaters. No complicated instructions needed. This complete kit includes everything you need to create a truly monstrous display. You'll have plenty to decorate with. The realistic vampire teeth and tongue add a touch of frightful fun to your Halloween decorations. Get ready for screams of delight or terror. It's the ideal way to make your car stand out from the crowd this Halloween. Prepare for a memorable night of spooky fun. Use it on your car, garage, or even as an archway decoration. It's incredibly versatile and adds a spooky touch anywhere you place it. What we like. These vampire mouths are simple to put up and create a classic spooky look. They are made to last and are perfect for any car or outdoor space. If you want a quick and effective way to add some Halloween flair, this is for you. What people say. Really good quality. And it's so easy to put up. Comes with all the stickies. And didn't damage my car at all. I used the vampire set for trunk or treat this year on my VW Atlas and it looked good. I added 2 red plastic tablecloths as pictured. The sticky things held on tight even though it was a little windy, and I got lots of compliments on the setup. Despite the wind and rain, this held strong. Super simple and basic, but looked so cute. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.